Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cocktail juice in a blender. First, select your favorite fresh fruits. Think vibrant citrus, sweet berries, or exotic tropical varieties. Make sure your blender is sparkling clean and ready for action. You'll also need a liquid base, which could be simple water, sparkling soda, or even a spirit if you're crafting an adult beverage. Having these items prepared makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Next, thoroughly wash all your chosen fruits and chop them into small, manageable pieces. This helps them blend more easily and creates a smoother juice. Add your prepared fruit to the blender, along with your chosen liquid base and a handful of ice. The ice helps chill the drink and contributes to a refreshing consistency. Blend on high for about 30 to 60 seconds, or until the mixture is completely smooth. Now it's time to fine-tune your creation. Taste the juice and decide if it needs more sweetness, perhaps a touch of honey or agave, or more tartness from a squeeze of lime. If the juice is too thick, add a bit more liquid. For a colder, thicker drink, add more ice. For an extra smooth texture, especially with seedy fruits, strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve into a clean pitcher. Finally, it's time to enjoy your delicious homemade cocktail juice. Pour it immediately over fresh ice in your favorite glass. For a beautiful presentation, garnish with a slice of fresh fruit, a vibrant sprig of mint, or even a fancy cocktail umbrella. If you have any leftover juice, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh and tasty for up to 2 days, ready for your next refreshing moment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.